So today we're going to do a Head in the Clouds hairband. Why? Because being stuck inside, you won't have been to the hairdresser, and I don't want you getting your good dressmaking scissors out to cut your hair. So that's why we're doing a hairband. Why in the clouds? Because this side we've got cloud fabric. Very quick, very easy to do. We need 2 pieces, 18 by 2¼ and we need 2 pieces 9 by 1¾ So we're going to put the 2 similar size pieces together, right sides together, and we're going to stitch basically down the 2 sides and pull it through. Now if you find it's difficult to pull through, one little trick is, is to have a piece of, this is just a selvage edge. I'm going to lay it on there. Make sure you stitch it in. And then when you stitch down both sides and obviously across the top, it pulls through very easily because the end will come out like that, down here, and you just pull it through. So I'll go and do that now. Okay, so stitch turned out, and then on the short edge I'm just going to turn that under like that, and the same on the other end. I think because I've got 2 fabrics here, I'm just going to do a wee top stitch just across the top and the bottom. It will make it stay in its correct place. The other piece, here we are, which I've just turned out. I am now going to insert through here a piece of elastic. The elastic has got to be about 6 inches long, and it's going to be about 3/4 of an inch wide. I'm going to stitch it in and finish it off both ends. So obviously it's a 6-inch piece of elastic, but this is a 9-inch piece of fabric, so you will see it will gather. Okay, there we are, top stitched 2 long edges. The elastic piece, I need to clip it off. I have got the elastic through there, and because the elastic is shorter than the piece of fabric, it wants to gather, but when you stretch the elastic, there's enough fabric to cover. I've used a stretched zigzag stitch to hold the elastic in place at both ends. Next thing to do is take this end and pop it in there. Remember we turned that under already, and place it in the middle, stitch down there, go to the other end, and I would put a clip in there and just try it on the victim, and if it fits you can stitch. If you need to make it a bit longer or a bit shorter, you can adjust it so it's right on the edge or whatever to make it fit neatly. And there you are. That will be your hair.